How to purchase FIFA points in web app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can purchase your FIFA points in the web app. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to purchase FIFA points or FC25 points on the web app, it is fairly simple to do so. First, you simply open your browser and type in FIFA web app. You'll find the first link from EAFC that says FC Ultimate Team web app, EA Sports official site. So you simply go to that first link over there. Now over here, it will take some time to load and it will going to ask you to log into your account. After you log in, if you have an EA account that is associated with your FC25 account, then you will see the next interface, and after that you can log into your FC25 account via the web, and after you log in you'll find the option to purchase the points or any type of coins that you want to write via the web instead of using the app. So this way you can purchase FIFA web points. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.